In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domain ownership in GoDaddy. Verifying domain ownership is a common step when connecting your website to services like search engines, email providers, or analytics tools. The goal is to prove that you control the domain by adding a special TXT record to your DNS. I'll walk you through the exact process in GoDaddy, explain what each field means, and share a few simple tips to avoid common mistakes. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is where all of your registered domains are listed. Make sure you're in the account that actually manages the domain you want to verify. If you have multiple domains, double check you've selected the correct one before making any changes. Next, access your DNS settings. Find your domain in the list and click the DNS button next to it. If you don't see that button, click the domain name itself and then open the DNS tab. This takes you to the DNS management page where all of your DNS records are stored and controlled. Now we'll add the verification record. In the DNS records section, click Add New Record. From the Type menu, choose TXT. A TXT record is perfect for verification because it lets you publish a short piece of text that outside services can read without affecting your website or email. Fill out the details as follows. In the name field, enter the @ symbol, @. This applies the record to your root domain, also known as the apex, like example.com. If your service specifically told you to use a particular host value, follow their instructions, otherwise @ is the standard for verifying the root domain. In the value field, paste the exact verification code provided by your service. It might look like a string that starts with something like Google site verification, but be sure to copy it exactly as given. Don't add quotes, don't trim characters, and avoid extra spaces at the beginning or end. For TTL, leave it as default, typically 1 hour. TTL controls how long DNS resolvers cache the record. The default is safe and widely recommended for verification. Finally, click Save. You should see the new TXT record appear in your list. DNS changes aren't instant everywhere, so allow some time for the new record to be recognized across the internet. It often completes within minutes, but in some cases it can take up to an hour or so. If you just added the record, be patient and avoid repeatedly editing it. That's it. You've logged in, opened DNS, added a TXT record with @, pasted your verification code, kept the default TTL, and saved your changes.